Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your taxable brokerage account on eTrade. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the eTrade website. Log in to your eTrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main navigation menu. Click on the Accounts tab to access your account overview. Scroll down to find your taxable brokerage account listed under Account Summary. Click on your taxable brokerage account to open the account details. Look for the Account Settings or Preferences option displayed on the screen. Select Account Settings or Preferences to proceed with updates. Review the various sections available for updating your account. If you need to update your personal information, navigate to the Profile section. Edit any information as needed, such as your address or contact details. For financial preferences, check the Investment Preferences section. Adjust your investment preferences according to your current goals and risk tolerance. To modify tax-related settings, find the Tax Documents section. Ensure your tax information is accurate and up to date. After making all necessary updates, double-check your changes for accuracy. Click Save or Submit to ensure your updates are applied. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. If needed, log out of your account once all updates are complete. You have now successfully updated your taxable brokerage account on eTrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.